Did you know that 88% of all millionaires are self-made? That's right, most didn't inherit their fortune. They built it with discipline, smart decisions, and most importantly, life-changing habits. Today, I'm going to share the 7 millionaire habits that personally transformed my life and that can do the same for you. If you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or just unsure of how to move towards financial freedom and success, stick around. These habits will equip you with actionable steps that anybody can implement. The first habit is starting your day with clear purpose. Most successful people don't let the day happen to them. They take control right from the moment that they wake up. As an action, create a morning routine. This could include setting time aside for reflection, meditation, journaling, or planning your day ahead. A routine like this sets the tone for a productive day. I use my daily goal setter every day to plan out my goals for the day. It's all about focus, clarity, and setting achievable targets. There was a time in my life where I'd wake up and immediately feel overwhelmed. I'd scroll through social media, react to messages, and already feel behind before the day had even started. But once I implemented a solid morning routine, everything shifted. I started the day feeling in control and focused on my goals rather than reacting to distractions. If you want to dive deeper into building an effective morning routine, I highly recommend A Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. It's a bestseller and it's changed the way thousands of people think about starting their day, including me. Habit number 2, tracking your finances. Millionaires know that every penny counts. One of the key habits that changed my life was tracking where my money goes and creating a clear budget. It might sound basic, but most people don't realize where they're losing money or how much they're actually spending. Start tracking your spending today. Use a budget planner or even an app. Set time at the end of each week to review your financial status. My Ultimate Financial Planner bundle is designed exactly for this purpose. It helps you organize your finances, track your income and expenses, and make sure that you're hitting your savings goals. I'll attach a link in the description below. I remember when I first started tracking my spending, I was shocked at how much I was wasting things like eating out or subscriptions that I wasn't even using, and impulse purchases. Once I started budgeting and being mindful of my spending, I found that I had even more control over my finances. That control gave me the confidence to save more and invest smarter. If you want more tips on financial habits, I'll also attach my video here on 5 bad money habits that are keeping you poor. You can click above to watch it next. Habit number 3, investing in personal development. Successful people invest heavily on personal development. They know that their mindset, their skills, and their knowledge are the most valuable assets. This is where your journey to wealth really begins. As an action, set a personal development goal. This could be reading 1 book a month, attending seminars, or signing up for courses to help build a new skill. A must-read that's impacted me tremendously is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book isn't just about making money, it's about developing a winning mindset and habits that lead to long-term success. When I first started investing in myself, it felt uncomfortable, attending seminars, paying for mentorships, but within a few months, I noticed major shifts in my thinking, my confidence, and my ability to make better decisions. I started to see results not only in my bank account, but in my overall well-being and sense of purpose. Habit number 4, surround yourself with like-minded people. Have you ever heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people that you spend most time around? Millionaires take this seriously. The people that you surround yourself with influence your mindset, your actions, and ultimately your success. As an action, take an audit. of your current relationships? Are the people around you pushing you to grow or holding you back? Seek out mentors, join mastermind groups, and connect with those who share your goals. There was a point in my life where I realized I had to distance myself from certain friends who were dragging me down. It was tough but necessary. Once I started networking with ambitious, like-minded individuals, my entire perspective shifted. I found myself inspired and motivated to continue leveling up. Habit number 5 is stay consistent even when it's hard. Consistency is a habit that separates the dreamers from the doers. It's not about perfection. It's about showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Identify one area of your life where you've been inconsistent, whether it's fitness, financial habits, or a side business. Commit to taking small steps every day, no matter what. A few years ago, I started a side business. It was slow at first, and there were days where I felt like giving up. But I made a promise to myself that I would work on it every single day, even if it was just for 30 minutes. That consistency built momentum, and that business was a key part of my journey. Habit number 6, focus on one thing at a time. Millionaires understand that multitasking dilutes your effectiveness. They focus on one task at a time and give it their all. Every day, identify one task that will have the biggest impact on your goals and give it your full attention. Eliminate distractions, set a timer, and work in focus sprints. And don't forget, my ultimate goal planner is a perfect tool to help you prioritize and focus on what truly matters. Habit number 7, never stop learning. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They're always reading, attending workshops, or finding ways to sharpen their skills. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. As an action, make a commitment to learn something new every month, whether it's a new skill, a different way of thinking, or something related to your industry. Never stop improving. Atomic Habits by James Clear is another incredible book that I highly recommend. It's an international bestseller, and it's perfect for learning how to build small habits, one step at a time. These 7 habits are habits that anybody can implement, no matter where you're starting from. If you're serious about growing your wealth, be sure to watch my next video on 5 bad money habits that are keeping you poor. If you found this video useful, I'd appreciate if you could take a second to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.